Hello and thank you for watching. We're in the $1 Million Cabin with another great stock pick for you today. It is ILUS. ILUS on the OTC market. They will be uplisting to the Nasdaq very soon. And they just acquired Vera Drones, a European manufacturer of pioneer industrial unmanned aerial vehicles for rescue and logistics. So this is great. This is a new acquaintance that just went through. Beautiful, just posted. They're uplisting to the Nasdaq very soon, and they have their own coin now. The coin is called @ILUS_coin. It is listed at CoinMarketCap. So this is great. They got their own coin. They got acquaintances going through. Not only just this acquaintance, but many more. They're constantly posting on their Twitter page, which is great. Constant news always coming out. Constant posts. They're always about their shareholders. They will not reverse split just to get, their points up so they can stay listed and get to the Nasdaq quicker. They will not do that to their shareholders and sell them out like that. This is a great, solid company to get into. Once again, it's ILUS, ILUS. It is currently on the OTC market, US market. And it's a beautiful time to get in. Very low price right now. So get in if you can. Hit that like button, subscribe. This is great. The new drones, now they're in drones. They got their own coin. They got so much stuff going on for this company. Hit that like button, subscribe for more great stock picks like this all the time. Hit that like button, subscribe.